Welcome to 48th video of this MySQL tutorial series. In this video, we are going to discuss what is foreign key and how to create a foreign key and link two tables together. So, to demonstrate the actual concept of foreign key, first we must know what is primary key. So, what is primary key? It is a column. Primary key is nothing but a column that is used to uniquely identify each record in a table, which means, for example, let's take this table. In this table, register is the primary key, which means in this table there must not be two records with same register number. A student must have single register number and same register number will not be allocated for multiple students, or in other words, if I give a register number, it should return either 0 record or 1 record and not more than that. So that is what primary key is. So to demonstrate the concept of foreign key, we are going to create two table now. Create table student register 50. Obviously register number will be primary key, followed by his name, 50. So this is the first table. This table will have only two columns, register number and his name we have created. So we have this table here. I will insert three records here, 1111 and name, so imagine I am having a school and with only one standard, and that standard contains only 5 students, not more than that, only 5 students in my school. Okay, I need to create another table. Annual marks, which means the year-end examination marks. Register. Obviously this register column will again act as primary key in this table also. Addition to act as primary key, this register column must act as foreign key to this table also. So first we will create this table first. Student and annual marks. Right, now I'm going to enter marks of all those 5 students, 1111, 450, 2222, 348, 3333, 459, 499, right. By mistake or unfortunately I tried to add another value, 450. Whether this data is valid or not, please check it. I have only 5 students in my school, but in my annual marks table I have 6 marks, which is 1 2 3 4 5. Till this record the values are valid and this value is not valid. So this is a blunder mistake. So this is the exact scenario where foreign key plays a major role. Absence of foreign key allowed me to enter this value here. So I'll remove this, instead of removing this, I'll remove this entire table now, and I will add foreign key for this table. So student table is created. I have only 5 students. I'll create this table with foreign key, comma, foreign key of register references student of register, which means the register column of this table will act as foreign key referring the register column of this student table. So this register and this register will be connecting together. So this register will be the column that is used to uniquely identify each record in this table also. So this is what foreign key is all about. I'll create this table. Table is created. While seeing the table structure, you can identify that this yellow key denotes that it is primary key, and we'll check the newly created table, annual marks table. You can see this is primary key, and again you can see an icon that denotes two tables and connecting together. See, this is what foreign key is. I mean, we have connected this column to this register column in this table. So what is the actual advantage, or what is the actual usage of this foreign key? Now I will insert annual marks. See, when I try to click, I mean try to type something, it is showing me drop down list box, which means I must add any one of the values that is present in this drop down list box. So what are these values? Where are these values from? These values are from this register column, because we have added this register, and I mean we have added this register column as foreign key to this register column. So if I try to insert any other values other than the values present in this column, it will not allow, because we have set foreign key. So from now on, the blunder mistake that has happened before, as I shown here, the register number other than 5 students will not be entered, will not be able to enter. Okay, let us try another way of inserting same value. Insert into annual marks. Now I will try to insert a value that is not available in student table, comma 456. It must throw an error. See, you have I mean you cannot add or update or a child row, a foreign key constraint fails, which means it is telling us that you are going to enter a value 6666 that is not present in student table register column, because this register column and this register column are interconnected by using foreign key, which means this register key is acting as foreign key to this table. So hope and now I am having a school and I am having only 5 students in that school, and now I cannot add marks of a student who is not present in my school. So this is where foreign key played a major role and stopped me from entering a wrong value. Hope this video is useful. In case you have queries, you can leave a comment below. Subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends too. Thanks for watching and keep supporting us.